if you want to start using skills in Claude Code, you can do this in only a couple of steps. So let me show you. First, you can just go on skills.sh and just get the skill creator. Copy this message, enter it here, and it will just add the skill creator directly into your repo if you're using VS Code. Just choose Claude Code in the project with the symlink and proceed. That would be it. After that, you can just open Claude and just type skill creator and just type whatever kind of skill you want. So for this, I will build a landing page audit for mobile, let's say. And I will just need to enter accept all edits, launch the skill, which I took up from the website as a quick recap, and just tell it what I want. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Claude may ask us for some kind of permission or maybe has some answer for us. If not, I'll just come back and show you the skill. Exactly, I have some question, and let me show you one trick. Especially if you're using Claude Code, you can just ask him and tell use ask question tool, so that it will give you something to choose from, like a multiple choice question, instead of you having to type or having to guess. Maybe you don't know exactly what you want and you just want some option to choose from. So for this, just ask Claude to use it. And as you can see, this is the ask question tool, in which you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. I think the cap is at 5 in how many features it can have and in how many options for them features. So we shall see that I want this for code level only, I want this for general mobile UX, and I want a quick checklist only. So I have to submit those answers, and then Claude will have the context needed to create the skill. As you can see, it asks us for some permission in order to create the skill, and it will just create a quick Python script and a bash command, and we can see that it will start write skill.md and the checklist for a reference, and it will put them all together into one file that I will show you once Claude is completely done with it. Okay, the skill is done and we can just start to use it, but let me show you where it was created. You can see that it is under userlovey.claude skill mobile, but when you will search with a simple finder, you won't be able to find it. So for that, you just need to right click on this, go to folder, and just type whatever path you have there. So in my not codex, it's Claude, it's same for codex. You just have to type the user, in my opinion, in my case it's lovey.claude. Press enter and you will have here all that you need, and we can see it right here, mobile audit, with the reference and the checklist that we required and the skill itself that we can open right here and now and see what's going on. Audit a landing page for mobile UX, you have the audit, the workflow, what to read, the output format, and a couple of guides on what and how to proceed. Rules, exactly. So let's run this. Let's take an npm run dev for all Claude app and just run the audit for it. So just type /mobile audit, pretty simple, audit the landing page that is live on local 3000, and it will just start. Go ahead and do this. If you have, or if you want to do it with the Chrome MCP, it will launch a Chrome page in which it will start to take screenshots and look at the code directly into the browser. If not, it will just start to read the files and compare them with whatever the benchmark is in our checklist that you can find right here. That was defined also by Claude. So the viewport and meta, touch targets, typography, layout and responsiveness, CTAs, images in media, it got all the things that it needs. So for now, we'll just wait for Claude to finish this and we'll come back with the result. Okay, the audit is done and we can see that in the summary, 20 points have passed, we have 2 warnings and 2 fails, and we can see that the viewport has some problems, touch targets doesn't have the minimum tap target, typography has a worm, etc. So just by invoking it with a slash, you can use it. In some cases in Claude Code, I don't see the consistency as much as in Claude desktop app, in which it gets invoked. Like, I prefer to just type it by slash every time I use it, instead of just relying on Claude to call it, because I've seen that sometimes it's a hit or miss. So I won't trust this as much as possible, especially if you have a huge skill library. I think maybe it can get overwhelmed. But for Codex, I would recommend it 100%. So, as a quick recap, you can create a skill by going to this website, skills.sh, then just looking for Anthropic Skill Creator, copy this, go into your terminal, paste it, go to the short wizard and just launch a new Claude session and type skill creator, and whatever skill you need, Claude will take it, will take care of it. And I suggest you to ask question and to tell Claude to ask you questions so you can clarify, and to use the ask question tool. That would be it for the video. Thank you for your attention.